All right, I'm gonna do a really quick video here because I know people have trouble visualizing things and they don't believe them when they're shown as computer generated images. So here we go. I'll try to get rid of the glare here. Now, I hope that people can see that what I have here is a sphere, and at the top of the sphere I have put in a nail and I have tied a thread to it. And what I have done is I have measured to the equator here and here, and I have found 3 equal distances. And it's probably pretty hard to see this, but what I'm doing is I'm measuring along here, and I have 11.5 centimeters. And then I'm gonna measure across here. I started at 0, like this, and roll it across, and I get 11.5 centimeters. And then I turn it again and come back, and I put it on the 0, and there we go. I measure it up and I get 11.5 centimeters. Now, somebody, and I won't say who, has been saying the spherical geometry doesn't exist. And so what I got here is a protractor. And you can see there's a gazillion of me here. And I'm about to start doing another show. So I'm going to be super quick here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the protractor here. And I'm going to show you that if you put a protractor here on this, and you line up the 90 here, and I pull it back, you'll see that we have a 90-degree angle. It's pretty hard to see because of all the reflections, but there is a 90-degree angle here. There is a, I'm going to put it here. I am doing this backwards in the thing here. I've got a 90-degree angle here. This is really hard to line up. This is a dollar store protractor, so it doesn't have a lot of things, but you see there's 90 degrees there. And then I'm going to rotate it one more time, and here we go. I get that on the thread there, and that line up there. If I line it up there and there, you will see I have another 90-degree angle here. 90 to 90 is 180, and if you add 90 to that, it's 270. And so this spherical triangle adds up to 270 degrees. So I don't know who needs to see this, but you know who you are. And this is the case. Protractor from the dollar store. And for $1.50 Canadian, we got a compass, a tiny little ruler, and it came in American and Canadian units, and a protractor which came in only degrees. There were no radians on this, but you can see there's a lot of fun stuff going on. Anyway, try it yourself. You can make yourself a spherical triangle and see that 1/4 of a hemisphere, or 1/8 of a sphere, right, adds up to 270 degrees. Try it yourself. It's a lot of fun.